Everything that we do within EiKO is really focused on improving our customer experience.
With the advent of LED lighting, it's really introduced a large number of suppliers into the marketplace.
Some of our customers probably deal with 20 or 30 different manufacturers.
They're not looking for a complex sales scenario. They're looking for what is the way I can get to my end result the easiest.
It all comes down to installing a high quality product at the customer's schedule.
EiKO defines easy. How we do that is we own the retrofit and renovation marketplace.
On a major renovation or retrofit project, we can offer 95% plus of that bill of material.
Service for us is first in mind every day. Our operational service is best in class.
We pride ourselves on the fact that we ship 95% fill rates.
Orders that came in before noon go out the same day.
That service excellence is what sets us apart from many of our competitors. The next step in the lighting category will be controls.
Agility is EiKO's controls ecosystem, sensors and switches, apps, and all the other Internet of Things. With our Leaf system, we now open the door to network lighting controls, and these can be hardwired or they can be self-powered. EiKO Xi-Fi is a 433 sub-gigahertz radio frequency, so it's extremely secure, and the commissioning is super easy. It allows you to group fixtures, create zones. You can also set daylight level thresholds. You can enable and disable the motion sensor or the daylight sensor.
Things that the big guys take a year to develop, we do in 110, 115 days. We've actually developed a industry standard socket receptacle combination that allows you to take different controls and you can add them to the fixtures after the product's already been sold. These fixtures are designed specifically to be able to work with third-party control systems.
We have a team of expert installers here in our headquarters who can easily modify fixtures, maybe adding a whip, a cord, a plug, a battery backup.
Where there's a problem, we come up with a solution and we give them the tools, a lighting layout tool or a energy rebate in their area.
We have a cross-reference and search tool online. So rather than Google searching, we can input a competitor's part number, find the EiKO equivalencies very easily. Our standard warranty is 5 years, but we offer up to 10 years parts and labor. We also offer project financing. We offer tax services as well.
We've created something called EiKO IQ, EiKO's training program, product-based training, application, controls and intelligent fixture training. It's there for just about anybody, whether you're a distributor, a contractor, an end user, one of our agent partners.
So EiKO's strategy is to be the leader in the renovation retrofit market.
Any customer is looking for someone who listens to their needs and does something about it.
We have feedback along the lines of, wow, I didn't realize that EiKO had all of these products and processes, and you align perfectly with what our needs are.
We can satisfy the need of 1, 2, 3 of your other suppliers, consolidate that into a one-stop shop.
And more importantly, we solve our customers' problems.
And we'll also help them grow their business.